Hello everyone, this is Parvathi here from Paro's Craftology. Today we'll be doing an abstract style art journal. So I will be using some really vibrant shades. This is something I usually don't do, but I wanted to give it a try, so here it goes. The colors I'm using here are the Craftangles liquid acrylics. The reason why I chose this is because I intend to use some Craftangle transfer sheets at a later point of time. So if I'm using any other form of colors like the liquid watercolors or whatever, right? So the water will smudge off the paints. Whereas in the case of liquid acrylics, it ensures that it is permanent, so it doesn't wash off. Hence I can do as many transfers as I want at any point of time. So that's a big plus of your liquid acrylics, that it is permanent once dry. I am randomly creating some patterns all over my page, like so. I keep doing it till the point I'm happy. Honestly, this page is a bit too bright for me, but let's see where it goes. So I'm giving a random outline with a permanent pen, and afterwards, as I told earlier, I am applying this transfer sheet. Again, this transfer sheet is from Craftangles. Peeled off the backing, applied it on my page, and then just applied some water and removed the coat. That's how the transfers work. And on top of that, I'm adding some white splatters, and now adding some white stamping. The stamp I'm using there was half dots. This is again from Craftangles. The script stamp I'm using here is from Finnabear. Now I'm trying to visualize where my placements would go. So I'm using two doilies. Sticking them up like so. This is a journal sticker from Craftangles. The name of the sticker, I guess, is Potted Plants. I fussy cut two of the plants from that. I am taking some sentiments. These sentiments are again journal stickers from Craftangles. So the ones that I'm using here are self-love, potted plants, I am woman, and I guess journal words 1. So these are the journal stickers that I'm using here. The potted plants and the ladies, I fussy cut them out from the stickers. And the journal words, as each of them contain the same words twice, I've cut and I'm using just one of them. This is Vintage Rosette 2 sticker roll. This is something that was left over from the previous project that I did, so I thought I'll use it in this. adding some butterflies. These butterflies are colorful butterflies element packs from Craftangles. And I still was not very comfortable with the vibrant colors. As I told you, I generally don't work with such vibrant colors in one go. So I tried to mellow down the colors again by adding some white stamping. The stamp that I used second time was Argyle. This is again from Craftangles. To add more details, I am adding some flourishes, some more black stamping, and some freehand drawings. And that's it. Our page is done. Till we meet again, it's Parvathi signing off. Bye bye.